how to authenticate Microsoft Teams app using Microsoft Authenticator. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. If you need to authenticate your Microsoft Teams app using the Microsoft Authenticator, this is the only video that you need to watch, so stay tuned. The first thing we want to go ahead and do is open up our Microsoft Authenticator app and make sure that we have the email address or the account actually added to the Microsoft Authenticator app. Now, I'm going to use one of these over here, and the next thing we're going to do is jump into the Microsoft Teams app on our mobile device. Now, this is what the Microsoft Teams app looks like on my device, and you can see over here, I'm going to go over to the top left-hand side, and I'm going to tap on my profile picture. The next thing I'm going to do is go over to the add account, and I'm going to now add the account that I would like to add so that I can use the Microsoft Authenticator with the account. You're going to go ahead, and it says that you can use this account, but we're going to go ahead and tap on create or use another account. The next thing you want to do is enter the email or phone number that is associated with the account you would like to add. The next step involves entering the password that is associated with the email account. Now from here, you will get a prompt that says approve sign in, and you also have a number over here. So you're going to go ahead and use the drop down menu and tap on the notification, and you're going to enter the number in over here. You're now going to tap on yes. It now says that it is approved and you are now being signed in. You can now see that this account has been signed in. If you go up again to the top left-hand side of the screen, you will actually see that the account has been signed in and that you have the other account as well, which you can now switch between the two. You can now authenticate your Microsoft Teams app by using Microsoft Authenticator. If you want to know more about Microsoft Authenticator, you can go ahead and watch this video.